Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple, a popular platform for Canadians looking to level up their financial game. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, knowing how much you can deposit is crucial. So, the big question, how much can you actually pump into your Wealthsimple account? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. We all know that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building wealth consistently over time, rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. That said, having a clear picture of your deposit options empowers you to craft a solid investment plan. Alright, back to the main event. Here's the deal, Wealthsimple deposit limits depend on how you're feeding your account. Let's talk instant gratification. Interac eTransfer. This trusty Canadian service lets you deposit up to $3,000 instantly, perfect for topping up your account on the fly. There's also a weekly limit of $10,000 and a monthly cap of $20,000. Not bad for a quick and easy transfer. Visa or MasterCard debit card, feeling like a debit card kind of day? Wealthsimple lets you deposit up to $3,500 instantly with your plastic buddy. You can do this every single day, with a monthly maximum of $35,000. Just remember, some banks might have their own fees for debit card transactions, so check with them beforehand. Going the traditional route? Wealthsimple also allows deposits through bank transfers. While processing times might be a tad slower, there are no daily limits. This option is ideal for larger deposits or for setting up a pre-authorized contribution plan, basically, setting aside a fixed amount to be automatically transferred from your bank account to Wealthsimple at regular intervals. Hold on, there's more. It's important to note that these deposit limits apply across all your Wealthsimple accounts, cash, TFSA, RRSP, the whole gang. So, if you max out your daily limit on your cash account, you can't hop over to your TFSA and deposit more that same day. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts, listen up. There are no deposit limits for Wealthsimple's crypto investing account. However, keep in mind that there might be annual net purchase limits for specific cryptocurrencies. Always check Wealthsimple's website for the latest information on these limits. The million-dollar question, almost literally. Is there an overall limit on how much you can deposit into Wealthsimple? Actually, yes, but it's a pretty hefty one, a whopping $1 million per day. So, unless you're a high roller with a Scrooge McDuck money bin, this shouldn't be a concern for most investors. Remember, folks, deposit limits are there to keep things secure and ensure a smooth experience for everyone on the platform. But more importantly, focus on building a solid investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Don't get caught up in trying to max out your deposits every day. Consistency and discipline are key. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.